Okay, so the last video I made it just to show how the police do things. I was highly offended. In the video, the cop tries to compare where the apartment complex he may live in to me living here. Bruh, the apartment complex you live in is probably somewhere gated. It's nothing similar to this. Unless you got concrete evidence that that people, it'll sound like they stomping when they really walking. Just because that's what goes on at where you live at. Unless you have concrete evidence that the same people who built your apartment complex built this one. I mean, show me something concrete evidence. Something that actually would justify that that's what the whole thing is. I was sitting up here like, whatever. It's crazy to try to like compare places of living, man. I was sitting up here like, oh, so I suppose you live in low income housing. We in two different worlds. Dude, you white. You probably ain't never, the closest you probably got to experiencing it is when you join the force. But to have the audacity to compare place where you live at to this place, two different worlds. You come live here at night, or better yet, have them give you an apartment where people are problematic, and you will see exactly how it is. But I was highly offended by that. And that's the thing, man. They go in all kind of work fields. How can how can a white person deal with certain races and stuff? They don't really know nothing about the culture. You don't know my fucking struggles. You don't know what we go through. You don't know how we was raised. But it's just like when I worked at when I was a youth counselor working at a group home. The white people that worked there was always scared of all the kids that came in, besides besides a few of them. They didn't know how to deal with kids that from the streets. And anytime something popped off, they were somewhere in the background. Never up front. And the only reason why, for real, I'm just keep it going. The only reason why white people is cops is because of the guns. Because if it wasn't no guns, you think they really be cops? Hell no.